This video will provide a comprehensive guide to building a culture of fact-based management and continuous improvement, focusing on the basics of production from 5S to quality maintenance. The 5S methodology and the PDCA cycle are core to this framework. The foundation of management is built on 5S. Seiri, or sort, means removing the unnecessary. Sien, or set in order, is about efficiency. Seiso, shine/clean, is about maintaining machines. Seiketsu, or standardize, ensures high levels of the first three S's. Shitsuke, sustain/discipline, involves training everyone to abide by rules. Management has two sides: maintenance and improvement, or kaizen. Maintenance keeps results at targeted levels. Improvement involves setting and achieving higher goals. The core philosophy is fact-based management, speaking on behalf of the data rather than relying on gut feeling. The engine of improvement is the PDCA cycle and the 5W1H input method. PDCA involves planning, doing, checking, and acting to reach a higher level. 5W1H, who, what, where, when, why, and how, helps narrow the scope to concrete facts for improvement activities. We measure daily activity using PQCD-SME: production, quality, cost, delivery, safety, morale, and environment. The Sangjin principles emphasize going to the source to identify facts at the Genba, actual site, Genbutsu, actual product, and Gensho, actual phenomenon or reality. Quality assurance has shifted from total inspection, which is reactive, to process control. The goal is assurance by the local process, treating subsequent processes as customers. Solutions include sampling inspections and poka-yoke, or mistake proofing, to ensure a smooth flow. The data toolkit includes quantitative basics like the process capability, or CP. CP answers whether the process can produce within standard values. ACP greater than 1.33 means the process is capable. Basic QC graphs help make problems visible. Bar graphs compare quantities, line graphs track trends, and circle charts show proportions. The radar chart is used for clarifying the balance between multiple evaluation items, such as 5S status. For analyzing causes, we use Pareto and fishbone diagrams. The Pareto diagram separates the vital few causes from the trivial many. The cause and effect, or fishbone diagram, systematically identifies root causes using categories like man, material, machine, and method. To monitor the process, we use check sheets and histograms. A check sheet is a ledger for easy data collection. A histogram visualizes the bell curve to see if the process is centered and stable. The new 7 tools help organize verbal data. The affinity diagram groups brainstorming ideas by natural relationships. The relation diagram maps complex cause and effect links to find the primary driver. Other new 7 tools focus on strategy and execution. The tree diagram breaks down objectives into tasks. The matrix diagram correlates 2 factors, like problems versus severity. The arrow diagram, or PERT, is for scheduling and critical path determination. The QC process table is the central document for production quality management, often called the Bible of the production line. It clarifies who does what check, when, and with what tool, realizing the value of building quality in each process. Advanced integration includes quality maintenance and 8-shaped development. Quality maintenance focuses on preventing defects by managing equipment conditions. The 8-shaped cycle integrates maintenance management and improvement management. In summary, the operational excellence ecosystem begins with 5S, driven by the PDCA cycle. We navigate with data using QC tools and Sangjin principles, and sustain with quality maintenance. To control product quality, control process quality, speak with data, act with discipline.